Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. This is 2023 Porsche 911 Carrera T in a gold blue color. The Carrera T is used the best engine from the entry level, which means you get a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 making 379 horsepower and 331 pound-feet of torque to the rear wheels only with the 7-speed manual transmission. Unlike the best Carrera, the T comes standard with an LSD, Sport Chrono package, Sport exhaust, and PAS and Sport suspension. It also deletes the rear seats and extra sounded deadening, those draw in a lightweight glass and a smaller 12-volt battery. With the manual and a rear seat delete, Porsche says this car weighs about 100 pounds less than the PDK only base model, at just about 3,200 pounds. With the stick, this car should accelerate from 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds, or the PDK saves about 0.5 seconds of the time. Pricing began at $118,050 US, and our very likely option test car came to $128,550 US, which is a lot, but it's technically cheap for a 911. Okay guys, what do you think about 2023 Porsche 911 Carrera T? Please leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.